Before we jump into our next section, I just want to quickly touch on a topic that has become a little more prevalent in my own personal trading, and that's options. I do like playing both sides. I like the buying and selling of options. I think options are a great way to potentially leverage your funds to get more gains. Now, with that, obviously there are more risks to it, and I would not take my advice as in using any of these strategies for trying to look for take them right away and look for options that you might want to play on your own. But if you find things you're comfortable with, and these things we learn in this course are very helpful to you for buying normal securities, they could also tell you and be good indicators, I guess, of stock direction, which might be helpful for longer term strategies of buying and selling options as well. Some of the things that I would recommend, is to go out and make yourself familiar with these if you're not familiar with options, because they do carry a lot of risk. I think they're, higher risk, higher reward strategies versus just the buying and selling of securities, and there's a lot more that comes to it on the tax side as well. So just do your research before you jump into it. But my personal favorite, is the wheel strategy. This is where you sell puts, and then when you're assigned these puts, you are able to sell covered calls, and it's worked very well for me to this point. And I actually learned about it through a Udemy course called Options Trading: Generating Consistent Income Through Options by an instructor, Christopher Fugit. This course was, great for my learning style. It was a quick course that put it into digestible format with live examples, and showed you really a great passive investing strategy that utilizes that wheel strategy and more selling on the option side. So again, just thought it worth mentioning before we jumped forward that these can be also good indicators to play on the options. And if you want to learn more about those, I think there's a world of courses out there that can help you understand options and not just the securities trading. With that, let's go ahead and jump into our section where we will begin to explore deeper the API integration with, specifically in this course, Alpaca. Some of these are going to be applicable to other brokers as well, but we're going to stick with the Alpaca for this. So hope everybody's excited to jump into that section.